Hello, hi, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna go through the topic Introduction to Clinical Application of Mechanical Ventilator. In the world of modern medicines, few devices are as critical as the ventilator machines. These machines play an important role in supporting patients with breathing difficulties and saving life in hospital. What is the purpose of this technology? It is used as first, get oxygen into the lungs. Second, remove carbon dioxide from the body. Third, help people breathe more easier. And fourth, as a mandatory breath for people who have lost all ability to breathe on their own. There are three types of ventilator. First one is positive pressure ventilator. It is delivering air or a mixture of air and oxygen to the lungs of a patient under positive pressure through an ETT and mask. Commonly used in ICU and emergency department in hospitals. Next, negative pressure ventilator is a medical device that assists a patient breathing by creating a controlled negative pressure around the patient's chest or body. Example, these technologies are iron lung and chest shell. These negative pressure ventilators are less commonly used today compared to the positive pressure ventilator. And last but not least, third types of the high frequency ventilation, HFV. It is a specialized form of the mechanical ventilation used in the critical care setting to support patients with severe respiratory distress or respiratory failure. HFV differs from the conventional mechanical ventilation in the way it delivers breath and cooperates at a much higher rate. Okay, that is the end of today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.